The live price of Dogwifhat is $1.783357 with a current market cap of $1.78 billion. 24-hour trading volume is $317.52 millions. Dogwifhat is over 2.92% in the last 24 hours with a circulating supply of 998.85 millions. Dogwifhat is the latest sensational memecoin of the Solana ecosystem. Launched on November 20, 2023, this meme coin has already recorded a surge of approximately 3,000% in valuation. By its popularity, the WIF price prediction reveals a bullish performance to beat prominent meme coins such as Shiba Inu and Bonk. The WIF token's market cap had already achieved the major milestone of $3.5 billion. Currently, it stands at $1.612 billion with a circulating supply of 998,906,016 WIF tokens. Wondering if the WIF token price will hit $10 in 2024? Investors are keen on the future price aspects of this meme coin due to its notable run in the crypto industry. This video consists of a detailed explanation of is Dogwifhat token a good investment? With this video, we bring you the WIF price prediction 2024 to 2030 in the years to come. WIF price prediction July 2024. With a declining trend in the falling channel, the WIF price trend showcases a pullback phase in motion. However, the bull cycle within the bearish channel teases a breakout rally for a trend reversal. With a potential bullish crossover in the moving average convergence or divergence and signal lines, the breakout chances for a trend reversal increase. The overnight jump of 15% with the intraday growth of 4.89% in WIF price challenges the overhead trendline and the $2 mark. If the bulls sustain momentum, the WIF coin price will result in a breakout rally surpassing the $3 mark to hit the $4.50 peak in July. However, if the bears continue to dominate the market, the memecoin will plunge toward its crucial support level of $1.20. Dogwifhat price prediction 2024. If the Dogwifhat project releases impactful updates and announces major collaborations, the price of WIF token, with a potential surge, could shoot to a maximum of $10, following the Bitcoin halving event, which took place in April. Contrarily, if the protocol experiences a negative reversal or fails to commit to its expectation, this could knock the WIF price down to $1.45. Successively, the average price can settle at $5.78. Dogwifhat price prediction 2025. The rising bullish influence and the post-Bitcoin halving sentiments may play a major role in the future price action of the industry as it will impact the market on a great scale. With this, the WIF coin price may record a high of $16.56 by the year-end. A major concern is liquidation, and if investors fail to keep up the levels, it might display a significant correction in valuation. Under such conditions, the token Dogwifhat price might be knocked out at $4.56. Consequently, the memecoin price could settle at $10.06. Dogwifhat price prediction 2026. According to forecast prices and technical analysis, the WIF price may reach a minimum of $9.01 in 2026. The maximum price could hit $25.16, with an average trading price of around $17.58. WIF crypto price prediction 2027. Looking forward to 2027, Dogwifhat price may reach a low of $15.52, with a high of $36.99, and an average forecast price of $25.25. Dogwifhat price prediction 2028. In 2028, the price of WIF crypto may reach a minimum of $20.38, with a maximum of $44.45 and an average price of $32.91. Dogwifhat memecoin price prediction 2029. By 2029, the WIF token price may reach a minimum of $25.95, with the potential to hit a maximum of $51, and an average of $38.47. WIF price prediction 2030. In 2030, the Dogwifhat token price may touch its lowest price at $29.26, hitting a high of $59.55 and an average price of $44.40. Dogwifhat continues to trade under a strong bullish influence. This indicates a strong fundamental and positive outlook for the Solana-based memecoin for the year. If the token continues to trade positively, it is predicted to gain massive attention in the industry in the coming time. According to Crypto 360's formulated WIF price prediction, the Dogwifhat price may record a new high of $10 by the end of 2024. Conversely, new regulations or a bearish trend reversal may result in a negative result for the memecoin's future price action. With this, the WIF price may start trading under a bearish influence and record a low of $1.45 by the year end.